many years ago we had chickens. That's when my children were taking care of the chickens, you know. And one day I went out in the chicken coop and one chicken looked really quite ill. So I thought, okay, I'm going to give her some Reiki. So what I did was in the chicken coop, I thought we need to go outside. So I put a sack outside. You know, chicken coop runs, they're a little dirty. So I sat on the sack and I had the chicken between my legs like this. And I was giving her Reiki. And I could sort of feel her pain. And then I said to her, it's okay to let go. And in that moment, I just moved my hands, and she literally turned in my lap. She looked me right in the eye, and she gave her last flap. And I started to cry.
Wow.
And my daughter at the time said to me, Mom, why are you crying? And I told her, she said, but it's only a chicken, Mom. She gets it now, but she didn't.